Hello dear students, welcome you back in today's video class. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 2, relations and functions. In this chapter we are going to see the relations between the two quantities or the objects. Before I start with the relations, here let me give the introduction part of relation and functions. In daily life, we come across many patterns that characterize relations such as brother and sister, father and son, teacher and students. In mathematics also, we come across many relations such as number m is less than a number n. Line L is parallel to line M. Set A is subset of B. In all these examples, you can say less than, parallel, and subsets. These are the relations between the two quantities. We notice that a relation involves pairs of objects in certain order. In this chapter, we will learn how to link pairs of objects from two objects in the pair. Finally, we will learn about special relations which will qualify to be functions. The concept of functions is very important in mathematics since it captures the idea of mathematical precise correspondence between one quantity with the other. Before I start with the relations, you should know the weightage on this topic. The topic relation and functions. 1 mark question, 1 2 mark question, and 2 3 mark questions. There is no question for 5 marks from the relations. Total weightage on this topic is 9 marks. If one should have to learn this topic very seriously. Before you understand the relations, in the previous chapter already we have studied sets, their properties, types of sets, union, intersection. With the help of the sets, today we are going to learn what is a Cartesian product of sets. In this case, the product is not a normal product, or we can say it is not a regular product. Now in this set, we are going to study how to find the Cartesian product of the two or more sets. Before I solve the examples, look at the definition. Given two non-empty sets, capital A and B, the Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B. We read this as A cross B. Is the set of all order pairs. The elements of A cross B are in the form of order pairs of elements from A and B. That is, A cross B is equal to, it is a set containing the flower brackets, and each element of A cross B in the form of order pair A comma B, such that the first element is belongs to the first set and second element is belongs to the second set. In case of Cartesian product, the elements are always in the form of order pair and the first element is belongs to the first set and the second element is always belongs to the second set. Therefore, this is the actual definition or how to find the Cartesian product of the two sets. Before you go to the problems, here we can see that one important note. If either A or B is a null set, if one of the two sets is an empty set or a null set, then the Cartesian product between A and B is always an empty set. If one of the two sets is an empty set, then A cross B will also be an empty set. Thus A cross B is equal to 5. Remark: two order pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements are also equal. We can look at how the order pairs are equal. In this case, suppose the first order pair is containing x comma y and that is equal to the second order pair is 3 comma 4. These two order pairs are equal only if x is 3 and y is 4. In such case, we can say that the two order pairs are equal. Now we have the equality sign over here, means we can equate the corresponding elements of the first and right hand side order pair. Also we can equate the second element of the left side and second element of the right side. Therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. This is an important note. If there are p elements in a set A and q elements in a set B, then there will be pq elements in A cross B. Dear students, n of A stands for the number of elements in the first sets are P and number of elements in the second set are Q. Then the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B is always equal to P into Q. Suppose, my dear students, if A contains an element, set A contains an element only 1 and B contains the elements 2, 3. Then the number of elements in the first set is always equal to 1 and the number of elements in the second set is always equals to 2. It is here, it is 2. Therefore the number of elements in A cross B is equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Now here you can understand how many elements will be there in the Cartesian product of the two given sets. The total number of elements in the Cartesian product of the two sets is equal to n of A into n of B. Here I give the formula, here n of A into number of elements in the second B, that is equals to 1 cross 2 is always equal to 2. And here it is a normal product. Therefore one should have to remember this formula to find the number of elements in the Cartesian product of the given two sets. Third note or remark, if A and B are non-empty sets and either A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B is also an infinite set. Dear students, if one of the two sets is infinite, set is containing an infinite elements, then the Cartesian product of these two sets is also an infinite. Dear students, here the fourth note is right now because of COVID-19 pandemic, this part is neglected or it is deleted from the syllabus. Even though, let me take the note, the remark, A cross A cross A is always equal to the order pair set containing A, B, C, and these elements are belongs to the first set. Here A, B, C is called the order triplet. Here the A, B is called the duplet and here it is called an triplet. Now it is better to start solving the problems on the Cartesian product of the two or more sets. First example, let A is an set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, B is another set containing elements 3, 4 and C is the third set containing the elements 4, 5, 6. Then we have to find what is A cross B, B cross C and A cross C. In this problems we are going to see how to find the Cartesian product of the two or more sets. Moving to the first question, first example, A cross B is equal to A is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3 cross. The second set elements are B, it is 3, 4. In this case, Cartesian product of the two set, it is not a multiplication, it is called as a set containing the order pairs. Therefore, A cross B is always equal to, it is a set, you draw the flower bracket. The first elements get ordered pair with the first element of the second set, also to the second element of the second set, that is order pair 1, 3, then another order pair 1, 4. Similarly, the second element of the first set get ordered pair with the two elements of the second set, that is 2, 3, again 2, 4. Like that, it is 3, 3 and the another element or ordered pair is 3, 4. Therefore, these are the elements of the set A cross B. Now, in this case, as per the note, we can see that in the first set we have the n of A is equal to, we have the elements 3 and n of B is equal to, we have the elements here 2. Therefore, n of A cross B is always equal to 3 cross 2. That gives 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the number of elements in the Cartesian product of the two sets. Now moving to the next question, that is B cross C is equal to, B is a set containing the elements 3 cross 4 and 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the Cartesian product of B cross C is equal to the 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, then 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Therefore, this is the Cartesian product of the two sets B and C. Likewise, we can find the Cartesian product between the A and C. A is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, cross 4, 5, 6. Therefore, A cross C containing the elements 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Therefore, it is easy to find the Cartesian product of the two or more set. It is a set containing the elements, and the elements are always in the form of ordered pairs. It is in the form of order. The first element is belongs to the first set and the second element is belongs to the second set. In each ordered pair, the first element is belongs to the first set and second element is belongs to the second set. You can look at here, 1 is belongs to the first set and 3 is belongs to the second set. 1 is belongs to the first set, 4 is belongs to the second set. While finding the Cartesian product in each order pair, the first element is belongs to the first set and second element is belongs to the second set. Moving to the next question, example number 2. If P is a set containing the elements A, B, C and Q is another set containing the element singleton R, then find P cross Q and Q cross P. Dear students, these are the questions taken from the exercise, not from the exercise. These are the questions, solved questions from the textbook. Now let me find out what is P cross Q. P is a set containing the elements A, B, C cross the C. Q is a set containing singleton R. Therefore, P cross Q is equal to the first element of the first set is ordered pair with the first element of the second set. Therefore, A, R, B, R and C, R. These are the elements of the set P cross Q. That is a Cartesian product between the two sets P and Q. Similarly, we can find out Q cross P. Q is a set containing singleton R and P is a set containing the elements A, B, C. Therefore, A cross P is equal to R, A, R, B and R, C. Therefore, you can see that the Cartesian product is always a set containing the ordered pairs. The first element of the set is belongs to set and belongs to the second set. Again, you can see here first element is belongs to the first set and second element is belongs to the second set. In every order pair, you can see that the first element is belongs to the first set and second element is belongs to the second set. Therefore, this is the way to find the Cartesian product between the two sets. I hope you are understanding these questions, and these questions are very important to understand the further part of the relation and functions. I hope you have understood the today's class. You practice these problems so that it will be easy to understand the next lecture. Thank you. If you have any queries, please contact the given below number. Stay home, stay safe.